Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Chevy Tahoe LT with 4x4. That is running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and take you for a tour. So it does have the LED headlights around, so they don't flicker the human eye. That's the refresh rate of the camera that's doing that. It does have alloy wheels, fixed running boards, tow package. As I mentioned, this is a 4x4, leather interior. All right, I'll go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. So it does have second rows captain's chairs. There are your additional power outlets. You have a 110 volt as well, which is super handy. Here's a shot of the VIN right here, and I will upload some still photos as well. You have true driver presets and Bose sound, and 2- and 4-wheel drive shifter right here. Now as you look down here, you're going to see that it has 16,805 miles on this vehicle. And then down here you have your cruise control and your other trip computer toggles, and then your stereo controls are on the other side of your steering wheel. And then you're going to have your key fobs. You have 2 of them. And then you see that you do have heated front seats. And then you have 2 USB ports and a 12 volt right there. And your comfort controls, your disc drive. And then for your stereo, you have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. You do have navigation. There's your backup camera. All right. Okay, that about wraps it up for this Chev on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. It actually hit a guardrail on that passenger front quarter panel. The airbag is not deployed, there's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.